Explosion of the week.
Hello everybody, this is Explosion of the Week number 5 here, and I have some things I want to explain. Had some technical difficulties with Modern Warfare 3 and recording, so here for Explosion of the Week number 5, which really should have been put out earlier, but like I said, it's going to be kill streaks. So our first kill streak is a strafing run. And all of them actually managed to be exploded. Here we got a H6 Overwatch. What's it doing? Sitting there shooting and kaboom! And here comes the big bad Pavlo. Kaboom. Here's just another H6 blowing up. Just thought I should add that. Sorry. I had so many H6 explosions, but it was just too funny. It was like a perfect explosion. So here we have a Reaper drone, sorry, exploding. I'd just like to take this moment to bring awareness to the fact that the AC-130 is tiny. When you look really closely to it, it's so tiny. It's incredibly tiny, especially when you like compare it with a Reaper. And here come all the flares, and all that missed, and boom! And here comes the attack helicopter. Kaboom! Swift ending. Okay, so the rest is AC-130, slow motion, and an attack helicopter. So I wanted to talk about the feature of Explosion of the Week. This is just because I could not get the videos I wanted for my Explosion of the Week number 5, which is going to be flash grenade kills, but that didn't end up working out that well, and my vault wasn't really working that well either. So I was glad I could record this, and this was all in one match, all these different kill streaks getting blown up. But I'm sorry if this wasn't entertaining enough. I was trying to get something really entertaining. Really annoying. And actually recently I had a couple of blackouts, so I'm sorry that it took so long just for this video. It should not happen again, and next week should come earlier, even though it's like Sunday, so it's technically the next week right now, but you understand. So I'm sorry about the inconvenience. I'm sorry about such a delay in time. Keep watching, like, and subscribe, and you'll see some more. See ya.